the fam, that's what they call me. I promise that you'll never be lonely. Be the fam, that's.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Delyn here. And if you're new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe and click the notification bell to get notified all my videos. And for today's video, it's gonna be a cooking video. I'm gonna cook a Thai green curry and I'll show you how to cook my own version. So let's do this. So this is my ingredients, guys. I got 600 grams chicken breast, and I got some minced garlic here, and I got ginger, I got bell pepper, onions, and then I got carrots, baby corn, and green flat beans. And obviously we're gonna use this green curry paste. It's originally from Thailand, which is the original green curry paste. And I'm gonna use a coconut milk as well, just 1 can. And we're gonna use some black pepper and salt. So that's it, guys. And we're gonna use some cooking oil as well and water. So I've got my pan preheated there, so we can put the oil now. A little bit, that's enough. And let it warm for a little bit. So now the oil is nice and warm, we can start put the ginger. If you're cooking chicken, you need to put ginger first. Oops. So yes, it's ginger. Saute it for a minute. And then followed by the onions. And then we can put now the garlic. We just wait it till the garlic and the onion, everything's gonna turn golden brown. This is all nice and golden brown. We can put the chicken. And mix it together. And I can add up with peppercorn. A little pepper. And now we can put the salt. And mix it together. Now we just leave the chicken to cook a little bit, maybe about 2 minutes, until it's cooked nicely before we're gonna put the water. So the chicken is cooking now, so we can put the water. And I'm gonna use a boiling water. to cook it quickly. Not much. I think that should be fine. And we can put the curry paste. But the curry paste, you only need one tablespoon. But it depends how spicy you want it. But we just want it mild, so I only need 1 tablespoon. Because this curry paste is really spicy, so I only need 1 tablespoon. And mix it together. So as you can see, it's turning green now, and I can smell it really yummy. So I'm just gonna cook it and simmer it for about 5 minutes again. So I've simmered it already for 5 minutes. Now we can put the coconut milk. Before we put the vegetables, and it's gonna be ready. And we're gonna simmer it again for about 5 minutes before we're gonna put the vegetable. Guys, it's cooking now, and we can put the vegetable for about 5 minutes. And it's ready. We're gonna put the carrots first. And baby corn. We're gonna put this in the last bit so that it's not gonna be too overcooked. Leave it to simmer again for about 4 minutes, and for the last 1 minute we can put the beans and the bell pepper. Vegetable is cooking, guys, the baby corn and the carrots, so we can put the flat beans, and last but not the least, the bell pepper. So now time to turn off the fire and let it sit for about 5 minutes again, and it's ready to serve. That's how quick and easy it is to cook.